Sick of making the same old banana bread with your ripe bananas? How about making them into a cake? Howard shows us how to make his brown sugar banana cake in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen.
To me, nothing is more down-home comforting than a banana bread that's right out of the oven. Well, my new favorite that tops banana bread is a brown sugar banana cake that's, well, I guess the best way to describe it is heavenly. To make it, all we have to do is beat some softened butter and sugar with some sour cream and a couple of eggs until it's creamy. Once it is, we toss in about 4 ripe bananas that we've mashed, along with a splash of vanilla. After this is smooth, we add our dry ingredients and continue to beat until the batter comes together. This goes into a baking dish and we pop it in the oven for about a half an hour until it passes the toothpick test. After it cools, we finish it with a brown sugar boiled milk frosting that's so good, you could eat it by the spoonful. I only wish you could smell how good our kitchen smells right now. On top of that, the cake is super moist, thanks to the ripe bananas and our sour cream. Plus, the frosting is to die for. To get the recipe for what we call brown sugar banana cake, simply visit our website. I'm Howard with Kelly in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found the ultimate comforting way for you to say, ooh, it's so good.
It's very moist.
It is moist, isn't it? Yum-malicious.
I absolutely love banana cake and we'll be trying that recipe. You can find this recipe along with a lot more good food from the Mr. Food Test Kitchen online. Just go to our website at KOAMnewsnow.com.